In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pass Stripe fees to your customer. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Product Catalog. This is where you can manage the products and services you sell through Stripe. Open the product or service that you want to update. Once you are inside that product, go to the pricing settings. Here you can either create a new price or update an existing one, depending on how you want to charge your customer. Before saving the price, calculate the amount you need to charge so it covers the Stripe processing fee that applies to your payment. The goal is to adjust the customer-facing price so the fee is included in the total amount paid. After you have worked out the adjusted amount, enter that updated price and save your changes. This method is useful when you want the fee built directly into the product price, so the customer sees one final amount at checkout. If you are charging through an invoice instead, go to Billing and then select Invoices. From there, create a new invoice or open an existing draft invoice that you want to edit. Add a new invoice line item. You can name it something clear, such as processing fee or service fee. Enter the amount you want to charge for that fee. Once the line item has been added, review the invoice total carefully to make sure the extra charge appears correctly and the final amount is accurate. When everything looks right, finalize the invoice and send it to your customer. If you are using payment links, the process is also simple. Create the payment link using the adjusted product price that already includes the fee. After the link is ready, open the checkout page and verify that the correct total is displayed. This helps confirm that your customer will see the right amount before making the payment. The key idea in each method is the same. You either include the Stripe fee in the product price itself, or you add it as a separate amount on an invoice. In both cases, it is important to review the final total before sending anything to your customer. That way, you can make sure the pricing is clear and the fee has been applied the way you intended. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.